In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a live progress bar in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple but really useful technique. Instead of using a plain percentage value, you will display a bar that fills in automatically as the number changes. That makes progress easier to scan at a glance, especially in dashboards or project trackers. First, select your target percentage cell B2. Make sure cell B2 is the one where your percentage value will live. Typically, this cell contains a number like 0%, 25%, or 75%. If your worksheet already has percentages entered, you can leave them as they are. If not, you can think of cell B2 as your control value. As soon as you update it, the progress bar will reflect that change. Next, click the Home tab on the ribbon. You should see the top toolbar at the top of Excel, and the Home tab is usually the default view. Going to the Home tab matters because that is where the formatting tools are located. You will use Excel's conditional formatting feature, and it is found in this area. Now click Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. When you look at the Home tab, focus your attention on the section that includes formatting options. Conditional formatting is the feature that allows Excel to apply styles based on the rules you set. In this case, you will apply a data bar style, which turns your percentage into a filled bar. After that, hover over data bars and choose a color under Solid Fill. As you hover, Excel will show different data bar options. Data bars are specifically designed to visualize numeric values. The Solid Fill styles will create a consistent filled bar color, making it look clean and easy to read. Pick the color that fits your worksheet design. You can choose any of the available options here, since the key part is the data bar rule itself. At this point, you have connected the bar style to the selected cell. Now you will confirm that it is working as a live progress bar. Change cell B2 to a new percentage value. For example, you can move from a lower percentage to a higher one, or test a midpoint value. As soon as you enter the new percentage, the visual bar should update instantly. That instant update is what makes it live, and it is why this method is so helpful in real-world tracking. To get the most reliable results, make sure the value you are entering is truly a percentage, not just a number. Excel typically treats percentage formatting correctly, but if needed, you can confirm that the cell is formatted as a percentage. The progress bar will scale based on the numeric percentage value, so correct formatting helps keep everything consistent. Even if you are using whole numbers like 50 to represent 50%, you should adjust how Excel interprets the cell so the bar fills as you expect. If you want to see how it behaves for smaller changes, try adjusting the percentage slightly, such as going from 40% to 45%. You should still see the bar shift accordingly. That helps you verify that the conditional formatting rule is tied directly to the value in cell B2, rather than being a static visual. Once you see the bar fill and empty as you change cell B2, you have the core setup complete. You can now use the same approach in other percentage cells later, if you choose. But for this tutorial, focusing on B2 is all you need to learn the method. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.